Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound yen GBPJPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold USD and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of pound yen GBPJPY, and right now market is trading at 155.22. If you have watched my video that I uploaded last week, okay, then yes, as per our analysis, we had a good up because when market bounced from the 200 period moving average, we got the confirmation that yes, we can go for a buy, and yes, after taking a buy position, yes, we also made some money. But right now, for the last couple of days, not couple of days, for last 1-2 days, we are seeing that market is losing its strength right now. If you just observe the market here, or if you just try to understand the body language of the market here, then you'll see that market looks tired right now. Slowly, market is losing its strength here. The bulls are losing the strength here. The market is still on the 4-hour chart. You can see that market is still trading above the 200 moving average, but market is unable to cross this red box here. The red box is 155.50 level. Why this level is important? Because previously this level was the support, and right now the same support has become the resistance. So support has become the resistance, and in addition this is also the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So if we combine both the factors, so then we can see that this level has gained some popularity, and as a result we can consider it as a valid resistance. So I'm just saying that 155.50 has become a valid resistance for the market right now. If you have a buy position on GBPJPY, then continue with the buy position until and unless you see a big red candle. Okay, personally I have exited from my GBPJPY, and if you are looking for a fresh buying opportunity on this chart, then I'll say that, my dear friend, you need to wait a little longer. Okay, wait for the market either to cross this level. Okay, if you find market crossing 155.50 level, then wait for some time and just see how the market is doing, how the market is reacting. If you see that market is trading comfortably above the 155.50 level, you will get the confirmation that yes, bulls are back to the game again and market is bullish, and you can take a buy position above this level. Okay, but yes, after the breakout you need to wait for some time. Always keep in mind, waiting is essential because this is the confirmation. Okay, confirmation is always important. Okay, so if market breaks the level, you can take a buy position above this. That is your first trading opportunity. And in case market fails to break the level, there may be a downside also. If you are a risk taker, if you love to take risks, you can take a sell position as well if you find market going down. Right now I think this is too early to predict that market will be going down because we do not have any kind of confirmation yet. But if you already have a sell position on GBPJPY, then I think that yes, you can continue with your sell position as well. But keep in mind, in case of a breakout in the market, just exit. Okay, and if market breaks these levels, okay, if you find market breaking this level and going down, then also you can take a sell position. If you look at the currency strength meter here, then we can see GBP is weak today. Okay, GBP is weak and JPY is strong. Okay, but if I take you to the Japanese yen index chart, you can see that today we have a red candle. So though JPY, Japanese yen, is strong right now, but after a couple of hours there is a possibility that it will be going down, and if it goes down, then GBPJPY may go up. Okay, so wait and watch. Take a buy if market breaks this level, take a sell if market breaks this level. If you want to know what is the figure here, then let me tell you, you need to wait at least for to take a sell position, wait for the market to break 154.80 level. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.